Hello guys, this tutorial is making an engraving tool for acrylic sheets. Let's get started. To make this engraving machine, you require a motor and a sandpaper. I already have an engraving machine which I made myself. To show you how to make it on your own, I just blended it a little. So you can use any kind of DC power supply. I just used a battery eliminator to power the motor and grind it. So let's start. Now do as I do in the video. Hold the motor at an angle, switch on the power supply and move the motor back and forth. Repeat the process until the motor shaft is sharp. I think I'm done with the grinding process. So let's test this engraving machine on an acrylic sheet. I already have a waste acrylic piece to test. So let's test. Use templates for perfect finishing. Thanks for watching. If you wish to get this type of tutorials, throw a like and subscribe to my channel for new updates every week.